tub raining low.
Hey, thanks for joining us again for another Sunday Plumbday Tip of the Day video. Today we're going to go over the steps you need to take if you find that your tub is draining slowly. The first thing you're going to want to check out is what kind of waste and overflow you have. We have a simple pop-up waste. That's this right here. That's where all your water is going to go down the drain. And that's going to be the most likely culprit for what's causing your drain to go slow. So in this scenario, you're going to want to drop the drain all the way down so that it's closed. And then once it's closed, you'll be able to unscrew it from the bottom of that waste. This whole assembly is going to pop up. You can see that the screw is just a couple of threads. It's not going to take much to get that off. Now, once it's open, we like to use this zip strip. This is something that you can pick up at Home Depot for a couple of bucks. So you're going to take this and simply put it down your drain. Push it as far in as you can get it. And pull it on out.
Ew.
Oh yeah. Yum, yum, yum.
Ew.
Now,
We definitely not gonna talk that. You're gonna talk.
it can be a little bit nasty, as my son is expressing to you.
Ew.
And sometimes it's going to take a couple of tries to go in there and really get all of that hair out. Now, if you find that it's still stopped up, you might even pull a ton of hair out of there and still have a slow draining pipe. You can give us a call. We'll have to go further down that drain and get everything. Thank you.
If you pull out a big one, it might be your.
Hey, today we're going to go across.
Are you the behind the scenes of Sunday Plumbday?